Welcome to Moshood Abiola Polytechnic Electrical Electronics Laboratory. Today, we'll be doing some electrical illustration on OSF program. Welcome.
This two-way switch installation, and we have it in many of our buildings. Where we can easily find this two-way switch is in the building where we have long corridors. Then we can have it when we come in through the first door, we can on our switch. Then when we are exiting through the next door, we don't need to go back to the first point to on our switch or off it. So we can easily off it in the second entrance, and we can have it in a building where we have duplex. When we finish everything we want to do and want to relax upstairs, we can easily switch off the control of that downstairs when we get upstairs. Not that we switch it off downstairs, we started looking for how we can get upstairs. That's the purpose of this two-way switch control system in an installation.
Still on the OSF program, here is a 3-bedroom installation, and here we'll be giving you explanation on how each of these units work. First, I would like my partner to explain some of the function of the DB bus.
Oh yes, yeah. Firstly, we have the supply which comes from here, and this is a changeover. From the changeover, it goes directly into the distribution board, and like I would like to be carry out the experiment as I'm explaining, sir. So watch me. And yes, this is the main switch, MCCB, which is the modern miniature circuit breaker. If we put it on, it will definitely bring all the lights on, just like this. And these are the MCCB, miniature circuit breaker. They works for the units. Each unit is divided into all this MCCB. And what's the main purpose of using this MCCB? We use this MCCB just to protect all our units. Maybe if over current, like so, it will definitely protect all the units. And just like I said, all these units, they are divided into each part of this MCCB. And please watch carefully. As you can see, the light goes off, it comes on.
And now,
The sitting room light, it goes off and it comes on. And like what my partner said, this is a prototype of 3-bedroom flat.
so to add more to what he said, as you can see here, these breakers have their own specific ampage that can serve for that. That means it has a maximum unit of load it can carry. So each breakers are designed for a specific load. For example, the 30 amps are used for the ACs and the heavy load, while the 20 amps, 15 amps are used for the lighting points, the sockets, and the other thing. So as you already said, this one is the control unit for everything. If you power on this MCCB breaker, it serves as the control switch for all the other breakers. And this other breaker, this MCB, serves as the unit's control for each unit here, as we demonstrated before, showing you how they work. So with this little explanation, I think we have been able to give you more details on how all these things work.
And I would like to add just a few more. Inside the distribution board, we have the earth plug and the neutral block. The neutral block is suspended from the casing, while the earth block is attached to the casing. And the function of the earth block is to prevent maybe when there is thunderstruck on a building. So it will definitely prevent all our units from getting damaged. So I think we are really put some knowledge into you guys. Thanks.
Next installation we are looking here is a parallel connection of in a building where we have a point that can control more than one bulb. You can see the difference. When we look at the first one, it's a two-way switch, whereby two switch control a point of light. But in this one, we have a switch that can control more than one point of light, and it is called a series connection. This one now, this is the neutral block, this is the cutout, and this is the control switch that controls the lighting. Once we put up this, there will be no supply to all the lighting points.
We want to use this medium to appreciate the Ogun State government for bringing this program to this great department, because this program has been able to enlighten us on some basic things we need to know as an engineer, and it also improves our intellectual intelligence on some various application of units in the department. Thank you.
Thank you, Ogun State Government, for bringing OSF to MAPOLY.